How to cancel order on Shein. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Shein app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, simply click on Me at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on My Orders. After you click on My Orders, you'll find all your orders in here. If it's in this section, you can still cancel it by clicking on the cancel button below your order. If it's already shipped and it's here, that means you won't be able to cancel your order. So make sure your product is not shipped and it's in unpaid or all orders option and not processing. And this is how to cancel order on Shein. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.